One, two, and
And I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this.
To be doctor, thank you. So doctor is
2nd December 2025 is the remark.
Officers who are present here from different departments, social welfare, then from the health department, from the law department, and various DCPOs, the children, most especially, and the parents who are present here today. I'll keep my note very brief because the main part of the program is receiving the children today. And I'm so grateful to the Almighty that He has blessed us with this wonderful opportunity where we could welcome the children back, the 24 children back from Karnataka safely. And they have come here safely and they are healthy. And I'm so grateful to all the people who are involved, all the departments who are involved, both from the state of Karnataka and Meghalaya, who made it possible for these children to reach home safely. So these were certain things that we had requested the government to look into. A compulsory health checkup should be done, for the medical checkup should be done for these children before they go, because sometimes there are some students who have a very, a dangerous medical condition and they could be sent to a different state and they may not get the medical care that they require. So to ensure that all these children are in a healthy state before they are being sent. Then we also asked the SOP to incorporate that whenever the child is being finally sent, a monitoring should be done by the state government and the coordination should be done with the state of the counterpart state where the child is being sent. So the DCPO of our state will be in coordination with the DCPO of that state to ensure that we know where our children are, what kind of institute they are in, and what kind of conditions they are living in. Currently, there is no such mechanism, and therefore, incidences like this have happened. We also requested our Honorable CM and the government that organizations that are sending children like this to various other states should also be operating legally. I'm very sorry to say this, the current organization, which is called the Les Sanctuary, it's mentioned here in the write-up as well. They are also responsible for sending the previous children out of our state. And you must be remembering the incident where 2 children were poisoned and they succumbed to it. So, when we know that organizations are sending children, those organizations should be legally operating.
Their children, now these parents have never been out. When they trusted their children to go outside, they thought it was all glory story. But they found out, the DCPO of Chikkabalapur found out that the place where they stay, it's not quality control place, and the place also was not registered with the government in Karnataka. So that was what raised the concern. So we had a WhatsApp group. So we utilized technology in a very excellent manner. Then we had mm, then we also had the transport department, because for the ease of conveyance, right from the flights, right from the trains, right from the buses, and then at every point, every district crossing. And then we have the police department, because the police department now coordinates for the movements as well as the security of these children. And so the police department also coordinated with the police department in